Buzz, Keith, stuck me with the curse of the stick. Whoever's got a dead boat, this is what happens to him. Well, mine's dead because I'm getting a different motor. But Keith, Buzz, encountered a bird strike. At least that's what we're calling it. We're calling it a bird strike. And now Buzz insists he's going to sell his boat and get out of airboating. I mean, how much damage can a bird do? So, all you CCA fans that like his videos and want him to keep going need to give him a hard time. Let's see, let's stick this here so he knows we're cursing him. There we are. Bird strike, 1/4 of 14. Way to start the new year. All he needs is a couple blades. Well, yeah. And a little bit of work on his cage.